Hello, this is Brian with the WG Design Group, and I'm going to show you how to upload your online brochure to your website after you've purchased it from us. It's very simple, a couple of steps involved. First of all, we're going to send you the file. It's going to be a zip file. All the files are going to be zipped up together, and it's going to look something like this. The first thing you've got to do is you've got to unzip it. And to do this, you just simply right-click on it and choose Extract All. Now it gives it a default name, the same as the file, but we don't want this. You want to call it the name that you're going to use for the folder on your website. In which case you're going to keep it all lowercase and you're not going to put any spaces in it. If you need to separate words, put a hyphen, it's fine, but no spaces. So I'm just going to call it brochure. Like that. And I'm going to hit Extract. It's going to create the folder, brochure, and pop all the files in there. Now, in order to put the files on your website, you're going to need to use special software, FTP software. There's a lot of it about, but one great free version is FileZilla. So go to filezillaproject.org and download the FileZilla client. You don't want the server, just this. When you go here, you'll click on it and you can download the Windows, the Linux, or the Mac OS version. And when you download that, double click, it'll set it all up, and then the program will launch. And here's FileZilla. I've got it running here in the background. On the left hand side in this window over here is your computer. Over here we'll see the files in your server once we connect to it. So we'll set up the server. So I'm going to come in here and open the site manager, and I'm going to create a new site. I'll click this new site button, and I'm going to type in the domain here. You don't need www here. It's using a protocol called FTP, so just type in the name. In my case, WG Online Brochures.com, like that. FTP is the protocol we want to use, but we're going to have to type in our login here. So we'll go to normal login, and you'll type in the name that your web server has given you, and we'll type in the password. In this case it's WG Online, and then we'll type in the password. Like that. That's all you got to do, and then you connect to your server. Now it may not connect directly to the root server. In this case mine doesn't. It's connecting, and I have to go into this folder, HTTP docs. Now you may not have this folder. It may be called www. It may actually go directly to the folder where all your web files are. Here are all mine here. Just ask your host what to put them in. So now I've got to get these files that we just unzipped. So I'm going to go to downloads here, double click there, and there's the brochure. Simply take this, drag it over like this, and it'll upload the files. Now this can take a little bit, but when we're done, you can just come over here and go into your browser and then just type in the domain name, WG Online Brochures.com/brochure. And that's all you'd type in. You'd hit enter, and it would come up. Of course, those files are actually loading at the moment. They're not going to come up at the moment. And you can see this is the folder we created, lowercase. Don't need to put the slash afterwards. Your browser will do that automatically. And then you'll have your brochure here. This is under a different folder name. And you'll be able to just send that link to your clients. It's not too difficult. And if you've got any questions, you can contact us and we'll do our best to help you.